located in Fort Smallwood Park in Pasadena and Arundel County at the mouth of the Patapsco River. This facility is operated by an Arundel County Department of Recreation and Parks. A renovation of this facility was completed in 2016. The two-lane concrete boat ramp, shown here, is 40 feet wide and 65 feet long. There is an aluminum floating pier that is 8 feet wide and 100 feet long. This pier is ADA compliant. There are two timber piers. Both are 8 feet wide and 125 feet long. There is a soft launch area for kayaks and canoes. The parking lot has many car spaces and 48 trailer spaces, 2 of which are ADA compliant. There are bathroom facilities on site. The park also offers a 380-foot fishing pier, children's playground, historic gun battery and barracks, walking trails, beaches, and pond. The boat ramp is open 7 days a week year-round. Boats are permitted to launch from park opening at 5:30 a.m. until 1 hour prior to closing time at dusk. Please remember, fees may apply. Enjoy your time at Fort Smallwood Park.